Hello guys, so welcome for this demonstration of the Ngahtech mobile app prototype. So in this app we have our app that has been developed, and then we have with the Ngahtech Group application. So if you want to learn how to develop this type of applications, you can contact us. We are going to teach you a step by step how to use Android Studio to develop application of such. So here we have this our demonstration. In this app, the first thing that you see is that when you appear, you have the Ngahtech Learn, which is the name. So it's going to be available very soon on Play Store. You see that if you refresh, you have the possibility of refreshing, okay, which is a functionality. You have all courses. The all courses now will take you directly to all the different courses that are available. Now, in each course, we have a description, the title of the course, description, the price, and the percentage that is off. And then we have the possibility for you to go to the YouTube. I also have the possibility for you to go to course detail and WhatsApp. The WhatsApp icon will soon be removed or be improved, because when we click on the WhatsApp icon, it gives you this information, but the other, which is order through WhatsApp, is not actually working well. So still working on that. I believe by God grace soon we get to get everything working properly. So this is just a prototype. So if you click on the app, as I said, it's going to give you this. This link is actually breaking, but I don't know why. So I will have to work also on it. So the second option that we have, I just want to explain to you so that for those who are interested to learn this course, they will come, we'll join together and make it work. So we also have on YouTube. Even though you can go to YouTube and to watch videos. So this one.
Welcome to session. This is Gabriel once more from Ngahtech Group. So today we are going to be looking at how can we install Python in our operating system or in our Windows operating system. So what you have to do is to go to your browser, you type the Python,
You can go there and
and you press enter.
type.
So the first link that shows up, you are going to click there,
Okay,
and they will take.
let's go back again. So that's one thing that we're also going to work on, which is on the back backspace, so that it should take you to previous page, not to go out of the app. So when you go into details, you go to details, it will now take you directly to the detail of that particular course, which is Python. Now you can enroll, you can add to your this thing, you can enroll, and I believe that is how it is. From here, you can also sign up. Okay, when you sign up here, you have the possibility with for 1 year subscription, and which is to register. You can register, you can sign in. Okay, so if you don't want to, the cost, some of the costs are free, majority are free. You can just get that, and then you get to understand. But if you go inside this our Ngahtech group, you see that we have other courses, a lot of other courses that you can actually enroll on, which are also similar to that site, but more here. Where if you enroll and look at this other course, you can enroll on this database mastery. You give you a video giving a brief description about the course itself. We have show, okay, that tells you more about that MySQL database, what are the advantages and why you should take this course at the Ngahtech Group, and a lot more on it. So this is just a demonstration of what we have done so far. So at Ngahtech, so here we transfer skills, okay? We transfer skills, we lead you to discover yourself, your potentials, which area of IT is much more preferable for you, because there are so many people who don't actually know which path to take. They just know, okay, doing computer science or software engineering. They don't know which area to specialize. So Ngahtech Group will give you all these counseling orientation classes that permit you to identify exactly where you are supposed to follow. So you don't just move around the bush and then you end up still coming back to the same thing again. So here we also have the blog courses. Okay, you can have a shop there about course list that take you to the course to list. Okay, and this one is a slide. Okay, when you slide to the left, it's a slide. When you slide, you say move to the next. So that's the course list. So there are a lot of other advantages that are there, and I believe this prototype is uh, is exceptional. It's wonderful. Our next update will be perfect on the day of the launch of the app. I'm also going to make a video of this such to give you in depth. So in this, we are also looking forward to include the past GC questions or HND questions as well as the degree past questions to facilitate access of those and to also have a question bank for students where they can get access to it anytime at any place anywhere without stress. So please, if you like this content, kindly share to your friends and also to family members. If you want to join our team of developers, you can contact us. We have our contact below. You can contact us, which are 654 432 857. So I'm in Cameroon. You can also WhatsApp me on WhatsApp and much more. Okay, thank you very much, and see you on our next video. Please stay updated, subscribe, like our Facebook page, subscribe on our YouTube channel, and follow us so that we can get latest updates on apps development, website development, AI, and many more. Thank you, and see you next.